Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bitching. So today we will be unboxing the Sephora Play box. I received it, this is my January subscription, I received it this week. So yeah, let's kick it off. I decided to do the unboxing with you, so yeah, you get the same reaction as myself. Sephora is sent by Planet Express to me. So yeah, let's see. Did we not receive the same last time? So technically this is what we see. Have a nice sensation. These are the samples we're supposed to get. And it is the beauty scope with a $50 voucher. Okay, start. It seems that we no longer get those nice cute bags from Sephora, which is sad actually if you ask me. Mine's open. Why is mine open? So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples, one of which is the Bite. Oh, I know this brand. Bite, can you see the glass? Glaze? Does it say glaze? Can't see. Okay, but anyway. Stay Glaze. A high pigmented lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. There we go. How cute is that? I can sample this for you. Sorry. So that is quite nice. I think my light is a little too bright. There we go. It's quite a nice color. Okay, then we have a Laneige water sleep mask. I think we got this in the Best in Beauty box as well. Not so sure, but I can't remember. I think we got it there. So this is a mask, and what's it do? It's a gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Why it's Cosmos approved. When your future will look bright when you use this innovative sleeping mask that rehydrates patches skin with hydroionized mineral water. So you use this 1 or 2 nights a week, or whenever you think your skin needs hydration. Well, I think in Namibia most of us will use this every single night. Okay, so let's just put it within view so everyone can see everything that we go through. This is a deluxe 3-day sample. What does it do? Cosmically compactable. It's a nourishing cleansing cream and deep treatment butter. Hydrating. This doesn't make sense. Oh, because I'm reading the wrong thing. Breakouts in retrograde. Nutrition, a daily cleanse, clear skin and breakup supplement. So it's pills. So it's pills that you take 2 capsules any time of the day with or without food. Formulated with organic algae and 14 detoxifying herbs and minerals, this pill assists in getting rid of toxins for a visible, clearer complexion. I don't know. I am unsure about this one. Okay, let's give them a benefit. Ooh, primer water. I love primer. Is this too dark now? I think I made the light too dark again. There we go. Okay, so from Smashbox. I love Smashbox. So why don't you have to be a water sign to love this water face primer? The 3-in-1 formula is so light you can also use it as a setting spray or face mist. Nice! So it's technically not a primer though, it's a setting spray. Okay, but anywho, I got a larger one in this is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. I got a bigger one in the influencer box. I think we did that in December, not sure. It's quite a great mask. I'm not going to open it. I wonder if it's got a seal on it. It would be awesome. Oh, see, the one I got didn't have a seal either. Yeah, now I can't give things away that don't have seals on them, so yeah, I'll be keeping that one. And then we have a deep treatment butter and a nourishing cleansing cream. So it's basically a hair shampoo and conditioner from Marayo. Am I pronouncing it correct? Marayo? No? Yeah, well, it hydrates hair, eliminates flyaways, and adds volume and shine. Now guys, this completes our box for Sephora Play, the January box. Yeah, I'm not so sure. I like the pencil, I like the primer, though I won't say it's a primer, it's more like a setting spray. But yeah, great box. It's worth the money though. I do like Sephora. So yeah, if any of you would like to sample these, I'm not sure if I'd just take any type of pull. It's a 3-day sample. I don't know if you're going to see any changes. It's supposed to help clear skin with organic ingredients. Not so sure about that. But anywho, thank you for watching my little video, and thank you for liking and subscribing, and hopefully I see you quite soon. Bye!